Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shweta Gireddy, Sri Siddheshwara Government First Grade College and PG Studies Center, Nargun. My seminar topic is application of EMF measurement in potentiometric titration, acid base, and redox titration. Explain with suitable example. Paper 1. First one is definition of electromotive force. The difference between the electrode potential of the two electrodes constituting the electrochemical cell is known as the electromotive force. It is also known as electromotive force. The next one is application of measurement of electromotive force. Some applications of are described here. First one is the determination of equilibrium constant. Second one, determination of solubility of a sparingly soluble salt. Third one, determination of valence. Fourth one, determination of thermodynamic function. Fifth one, determination of pH of solution. Sixth one, potentiometric titration. Seventh one, determination of activity coefficient. Eighth one, determination of transfer number. Next is potentiometric titration. First one, definition. A potentiometric titration is a one in which the equivalence point detected by the measuring the changes in potential of a suitable electrode during the course of reaction. The next one is types of a titration. First one, acid base titration. Second one, redox titration. First one is acid base titration. What is the acid base titration? It is a quantitative analysis method to determine an acid's or base's concentration by the previously neutralizing them with a standard solution of either acid or base a known concentration. It is more monitored with the help of a pH indicator to know the development of the acid base reaction. It is also reactions. Next one, types of acid base titration. First one, strong acid and strong base. Second one, strong acid and weak base. Third one, weak acid and weak base. Fourth one, weak acid and strong base. This is a graphical presentation. Next one, redox titration. What is a redox titration? The redox titration is also known as a oxidation reduction reaction. In this type of a titration, the chemical reaction takes place with a transfer of electrons in the reaction ions. It aqueous solution. The titration are named after the reagent that is used in as follows: permanganate titration, dichromate titration, iodometric and iodometric titration. Next one, redox titration with example. The titration of a potassium permanganate against oxalic acid is a great example of a redox titration. The reaction is explained below. Titration of the potassium permanganate against oxalic acid. Thank you.